How much money you need to start trading gold on Forex? If you want to trade gold, make sure that you have sufficient funds. Many traders think that $100, $200, $500 is more than enough to start gold trading, but they are completely wrong. In this video, I will explain to you the minimum amount you need to start gold trading and why you should stay away from trading gold with small trading account. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. In order to understand why you should not trade gold with a small account, let's start with important theory first. In gold trading, 1 cent movement of price is 1 pip. For example, if the price of gold moved from $2000 to 2001 cent, it means that it moved 1 pip. Here's how 1 pip movement looks on 1 minute time frame, and here's how it looks on 1 second time frame. Why is that information so important? Once you open a trading position on gold and the price is moving in the opposite direction, each pip movement against you will cost you the certain amount of money, and this amount will depend on your lot size. With 1.0 standard lot, 1 pip will cost you $1. With 0.1 mini lot, 1 pip will cost you 10 cents. With 0.01 micro lot, 1 pip will cost you 1 cent. There's also a nano lot, but most of the legit Forex brokers do not offer that. Here is the trading terminal with one of my real trading accounts. And here is gold position size calculator. Traders, last day of big sale. Until tomorrow, you can get the lifetime access to my premium group with a 40% discount. VIP signals included. For more info, check the link in the description below. Don't miss your chance, traders. Imagine that you decide to buy gold from current price levels with 1000 pips risk. Here we can see the exact lot size for the trade and our potential risk. You can see that with the minimal lot with 1000 pips risk, we will risk $10. And if we change the lot size and choose 0.1, you can see that our risk will be $100, and if we trade with standard lot, our risk will be $1,000. By the way, if you're wondering what is that broker and the trading terminal, I will leave the link in the description below. And pips in gold are expensive because gold may move thousands of pips daily. And why these numbers are so important? Because risk management plays a crucial role in trading, and when you are planning your trade, you should know exactly the exact portion of your trading account that you will risk per trade. And especially for the newbie traders, it is highly recommendable to not risk more than 1% of your trading account per trade. For example, if you decide to open a short position on gold from 2400 level with a minimal lot 0.01 and the price goes up by 1000 pips, it will cost you $10. You will need at least $1,000 trading deposit to take such a trade and to risk 1% of your trading account. So what is the minimum amount of money you need to start trading gold on Forex? It will primarily depend on your trading style and the time frame that you trade. For example, if you're a scalper and you trade on 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, you should take at least 5 last trades and measure the biggest stop loss in pips. In this example, we have 5 trades on gold on 15 minutes time frame. Among all these trades, you should find the biggest stop loss, the trade with the biggest stop loss, and measure its pip value. Among these 5 trades, the biggest stop loss is 500 pips. With such trading style and with such stop losses, you will need at least $500 trading deposit in order to risk no more than 1% of your account per trade. Swing trading on gold on a 4-hour time frame, again, take at least 5 last trades and identify the biggest stop loss. In our example, the biggest stop loss is 4,160 pips. It will be $41.6 risk with minimal lot. In order to not exceed 1% risk of your trading account per trade, swing trading gold, you will need at least $4,160 trading deposit. And I guess you can imagine how much money you need if you are planning to trade gold on a daily time frame. Before you start trading gold on a real account, make sure that you backtested your strategy and you measure the stop losses of all your trades and pips. Find the trade with the biggest stop loss. Your minimum deposit should let you risk 1% of your account for such trade. Let me know, traders, in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, traders, do not forget that it is the last day of big sale, 40% off on premium group, signals included. For more info, check the link in the description below. Also, traders, do not forget to watch my other videos.